topic is multiple alleles and human blood types. Okay, last class we have completed what are the blood groups and which type of mainly the genotypes are present. Then which type of blood transfusion, how it is occurs, and then after that mainly blood how the persons which type of blood are accepted to from one person to other persons. Okay. Then continuation, when we observe the blood types and their possible phenotypes. So mainly we know that the four types of blood groups phenotypes are present. That four types are, these are the four types of phenotypes blood. So that is A type of blood, B type of blood, AB type of blood and O type of blood. Then these are the genotypes. These are the genotypes of their phenotypes of blood. Then, so these are mainly the A blood group. It is having the genotypes IA and I, small I, or it is also indicates I naught. Then after that B blood group, it is having IB alleles and IB small a, or it is also mainly we consider as I naught. Then in this AB blood type, it is having IA and IB alleles. Then O blood type, it is having IO alleles. Or it again indicates small I. Then after that, next blood typing. When we observe the blood typing, AB phenotype of any individual means one person, any person, mainly ascertained by mixing a blood sample with anti-serum. So when the blood sample it is mixing with anti-serum, so the anti-serum it is having two types of antibodies. Anti-serum, serum nothing but blood plasma. Okay, na? So this is mainly two types of antibodies are present. So the two types of antibodies are mainly A type of antibodies and B type of antibodies. So again same we can also say that the two types of antibodies are anti-A antibodies and anti-B antibodies. So how it mainly it is mainly when we know that blood typing. So at that time mainly any one person, that means any one individual ascertained by mixing of blood sample. So that is mainly when we take A blood group, that means A blood, one person's blood, then after that it mixing with anti-serum. Anti-serum that are anti-A or anti-B. At that time, so we can observe that mainly which type of mainly clump it is formed. Then after that mainly how it is agglutination it is formed. Based on that we can determine which type of blood group that is. Blood test. How we can analyze that? If clump formed with anti-A serum. Anti-A serum though, if clump formed, that means when we take one person's blood group, then after that mixing with the anti-A serum, then after that we can observe clump formed that indicates A or AB blood type. Okay, na? That indicates A blood group or AB blood group. Then after that, again we cannot, first of all we cannot know that which type of blood group we can take one person. So first of all we can take one person blood. Okay, now take that blood. Then after that we can mix that anti-A serum. Okay, now then after that we can observe the clump. If clump it is formed. Clump means actually the group clump means the group of trees. That means group of cells at one region. So that indicates clump. We can also observe when one forest region or any place the group of trees collectively present at one region. We know that some of the structure. But blood also we can disperse it. We cannot that in a structure. But so when we take blood sample, then after that it is mixing with the anti-A serum. At that time we can observe structure. That means cells అన్ని ఏం చేస్తున్నాయి, they are mainly reaches at one place. So that is considered as a clump. Clump means group of trees. And that means that type of structure. So mainly then after that again the clump formed with anti-B serum. That means mixing with anti-B serum. When we observe the clump, then that indicates B or AB blood type. That is B or AB blood group. Then after that, if clump we can observe when mixing with the anti-A and anti-B serum, then that indicates that is AB blood group. Then after that, if no clump is formed either of both antibodies, both antibodies means mainly anti-A antibodies and anti-B antibodies, or again we say that anti-A and anti-B antibodies, two types. Okay, antibodies, A type of antibodies, B type of antibodies, or another says that anti-A antibodies and anti-B antibodies. If no clump we can observe, no clump is formed, that indicates O type of blood. Then after that, see my dear students, importance of ABO blood groups mainly. So the ABO groups in blood transfusion. So blood transfusion, so at that time, so mainly we can observe, we can consideration. So while transforming of blood, antigen of donor, then and antibodies of recipient are taken into consideration. Consideration means we can mainly accept. Why? Because so mainly why? Because when antigens, the agglutination process occurs between these two. And by means antigens, when it is enters into another person, at that time mainly if clump it is formed or not. If agglutination it is formed or not, that was mainly we can observe only this method. So that's why mainly while transferring of blood, antigens of, this is most important, antigens of donor and antibodies of recipient, so these are taken into consideration. And so see this one, observe this, antibodies are donor, then antigens of recipients, they are not taken into consideration. This is less important. So already we know that antibodies of donor, that is also boost to recipient person. So that's why it is mainly it is not taken into consideration. RBs, so mainly the universal donors and universal recipients. See here the RBCs of O group, that means O blood group persons, mainly no antigens. So in this O blood group no antigens are present. Already we know that A blood group mainly the alleles IA alleles are present. IA allele it is responsible for, why in this antigens are absent, IA allele it is responsible for production of antigen A. Then IB allele is responsible for production of antigen B. So that's why in this O blood group there is no antigens. That's why mainly in this no antigens are mainly no antigens. So that's why it is considered as universal donors. Mainly in this agglutination doesn't occur. Already we know that when mainly the antibodies of donor and antigens of recipient, this is less importance. It does not taken into consideration. So that's why agglutination also doesn't occur. Why? Because mainly in this no antigens are mainly, so antigens are absent. Only antibodies are present. That's why agglutination doesn't occur. Then see my dear students, the plasma of AB blood group. So plasma of AB blood group no antibodies. So antibodies are absent. So that's why mainly that does not cause agglutination. So mainly when RBC received from from other persons. So that's why we can consider this is the mainly universal recipients. Okay, na? So universal donor in this antigens are absent. So that's why mainly it donates mainly of these four types of blood group persons. Then in this when we observe the plasma of AB blood group, so no antibodies are present. So that's why we can say that these persons are the universal recipients. Then in this also we can observe mainly does not cause agglutination when RBC received from other persons. So see here my dear students, manaku already we know that four types of blood groups, A blood group, B, AB and O group. But in this also mainly the positive and negative blood groups, both mainly each group also having both positive and negative. So A blood group it having A positive persons and A negative persons. Then B also B positive blood group, B negative blood group. AB positive and AB negative blood group persons. Then O positive and O negative blood group. So of these persons we can also say that what are that? So universal donors are present. O blood group persons are universal donors. Universal recipients. AB blood groups are universal recipients. But we can observe the small variation. Why? Because in this positive and negative persons are here. Okay, now positive and negative blood groups. So that's why mainly in this O negative blood group. O negative blood group it is a universal donor. Then AB positive, so mainly universal recipient. Okay, so that's why mainly O negative. O negative is the universal donor. So mainly the receives blood from donors. Okay, now all these are mainly it is received. The donor is O negative. O negative blood group mainly it is the donor. So from this donor all the remaining blood groups it receives the blood. Okay, my dear students, so same as it is AB is blood group is the recipient. So AB positive, that is from AB positive it receives remaining all blood groups. Okay, no? So this is the AB blood group and so mainly multiple alleles. Multiple alleles example is AB blood group. This is we can observe only in population, not in species. Okay.